Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. Now, let's make a refreshing strawberry lemonade. So guys, a simple trick to get all your lemon juice from your lemon is just to microwave it for about 30 seconds and boom, look at that. All that juice. Like nothing goes to waste. You get all your money's worth. Yeah, so now I'm just squeezing that in a measuring cup. You're just gonna get all that juice. So now I'm just pouring that lemon juice in a blender. Then I'll be adding 2 cups of water. So now guys, I'm cutting up my strawberries to blend, just cutting out the stem from it. Guys, I also went ahead and I add half cup of granulated sugar. Now I'm just gonna proceed to blend my strawberries until the chunks transform into juice. Now after this has blended, it's optional, but I went ahead and I strained mine because I didn't want the seeds in my lemonade. As I said, it's optional, and I also let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, just to chill. And yeah, here's my lemonade, guys. Very refreshing. You guys need to try this recipe. It's summer after all, guys. Try this recipe, tell me what you think, and I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.